Ava, kid. Oh my gosh, I love it. We are off to have breakfast at one of our favorite breakfast places, but we've not been to this location before, so we're going to try it. This place is so good and it has some really good baked goods. It's a must try if you're visiting this area, but they have 2 locations. The kids had chocolate chip pancakes and I had a croissant with bacon, egg, avocado. You guys, it is so good. That does look good. That blueberry scone looks good too. No, that looks so. We went back to the hotel so I could do some of Greg's laundry, and then we had to go back to Target. But surprise, surprise, because we forgot some things. Thank you, sir. Got everything done, so now we are headed to the beach. Yeah, but it wasn't good, remember? This is our favorite place to lay out when we come to the beach because Kit met a friend here and they know to meet us back here so they can play football every day. Is it cold? Ava, you're gonna dig a hole? Are you digging a hole? We've been so lucky to have beautiful weather literally every day we've been here. After the beach, we got on our double-decker bus that takes us to the mall where we can get anything we want to eat. Ava talked me into getting one of these rainbow grilled cheeses. Pull it. I want to pull it with you. See how far it can go. See how far can it go. Is it good? Not bad. Look at those blue eyes. Me and my little bestie. She's staring at guys. Leslie. After grabbing lunch, we walked around the mall for a little bit just to walk off our lunch, and then we went back to the pool so the kids could swim a little bit until Greg got home for the evening, and then we were headed to watch sunset. Smile. Okay.
Same. You guys could have told us.
I didn't bring you tennis shoes anyway.
It's safe right here. It's safe right here.
All right, Ava, smile. No, pretty smile. Smile. This is beautiful. on, peanut brittle. Let's go to bed.